Most colleges will quote you one number for geography entry, a grade 6. But here's what they don't put on the website, and it might matter more than the grade itself. Today, we are stripping away the panic and looking at the facts. I'm going to give you a practical checklist of the grades you realistically need and the foundational knowledge you should brush up on to make sure you hit the ground running. Think of a grade 6 as the gatekeeper number. It's the figure most colleges quote first and the one that decides whether you get waved through or stopped at the door. Most centres want that grade 6 in GCSE Geography to let you onto the course. But don't panic if you are sitting on a 5. Many institutions will still accept you if your English and maths grades are strong. But hitting the grade is only half the battle. Getting in isn't the same as being ready. And that's where prep comes in. I know exactly what you are thinking right now. I literally just sat my GCSEs. Why on earth am I revising? 2 reasons. First, the gap between finishing exams and starting college is huge. After that long break, you will naturally forget the granular details. Second, and most importantly, GCSE was about memorising facts just long enough to brain dump them onto an exam paper. A-level is completely different. It is about applying those concepts to complex, real-world debates. You don't need to read the new textbook yet. Instead, focus on your core pillars. First, tectonic models. Don't just memorise the layers of the Earth. Actively look at how plate boundaries interact dynamically. Second, the carbon cycle. Re-examine how carbon moves between the atmosphere, oceans, and land. Quick gut check. When's the last time you actually looked at a plate boundary diagram? If it's been a while, that's exactly the kind of thing worth 5 minutes of your time this summer. Finally, geographical math skills. Review calculating percentages, reading complex graphs, and understanding basic statistical patterns like mean, median, and mode. You are going to have to collect and analyse your own field data independently for your coursework. Shift your mindset from memorising to understanding, and the transition will be a breeze. Let me know in the comments, which of those 3 areas, tectonics, carbon, or data skills, do you feel most confident about right now? Drop a comment below. Let's see where everyone's at. Tick off that foundational prep, and you will walk in miles ahead of everyone else. But what happens if you don't hit that gatekeeper number on enrolment day? What if your grades come in below the standard entry requirements? In my next video, we are opening up the ultimate Plan B playbook. I'll be sharing a guide on how to negotiate with course heads and how to find alternative pathways if your results surprise you. Do not miss it. Subscribe now, and I'll see you then.